Want to know how to manage who can send you request on Facebook? You would want to manage who can send you request on Facebook as it allows you to decide who can interact with you on the platform and helps you avoid unwanted situation. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to manage who can send you request on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Facebook app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings and privacy option. Again tap on the settings option. Now scroll down to the audience and visibility section. Here tap on the how people can find and contact you option. At the top, you can see who can send you friend request option. Tap on it. A menu will appear. Tap on the second option. Finally, tap on the save button at the bottom. So this is how to manage who can send you friend request on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.